Hi guys, Tanner Smith here again with SecureTec, bringing you guys another video to do a walkthrough on the smart home app we have through our partners at alarm.com. Just going to be showing you and going over again some of the features that you can control through the app, like your security system, your surveillance system, lighting, thermostat, garage doors, etc. Anyways, if you enjoy the video, we'd love it if you could like, subscribe, and click that bell button. That way you get post notifications turned on so you're the first to know every time we upload new videos. We hope you enjoy and thank you for watching.